folks, I'm at the store. My sister Sandra heard me talking about I want to buy me a Christmas ham. You know, one of those burger house ham. The one that look like you have Maras or ginger, whatever you call it, on it. But those are nice ham, the smoked one. So she surprised me and sent me the money so I could buy the ham. So I tell her, sis, you don't have to do that. I said, no, you're my brother and I love you, so I do that for you. So thanks a lot, Sandra. And you know what, folks? She's a sister from another mister. You know that? And speaking of sister, my sister-in-law surprised us and gave us a new bike rack. The other one here was a older one, and it was lower, and it sticks all the way out. While this one, it could, when you put the bike on, you put it down, and then you put the bike when you don't have the bike on, or when you want to open the trunk, you tilt it back, and then when you're not using the bike, put it back up. I went to the gym the other day, and I don't know, I was doing some leg push. I bring my leg all the way in the front and push, and I got to remember the and then in here started to hurt me, so I'm walking this funny kind of way, but I get better. $2.99, not bad. So what's this, popcorn?
Yeah, 3 different kinds: caramel, cheese, and butter.
Okay. Pretty good.
It's good popcorn too.
Yeah.
I want to get the truck.
You like it?
Roll truck. Huh?
You like it?
Yeah, it's good. I get it for my brother though. He likes it more than I do.
No, we do not.
My bill, how much I pay? $7.
Give it a camera. Are you on YouTube?
Yeah. Everybody know the drill. Okay, let's come to that. I spent $7 and $2.76 on some envelope. So I need it, so I got that. All right.
Where were you half naked?
Because I have to recreate something. I gotta recreate a video just now, folks.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Because you take piece at YouTube, but the front
I
didn't
did
come
a
out
piece
good?
at YouTube, and it never come out that good. Piece never come out that good.
The first piece.
The first piece never come out that good, so I recreated a little while ago. Now it's perfecto.
Oh, so you're a content creator, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm trying to make a table foot. Not a table, but we'll call it a coffee table. These are the 4 foot here that I cut, but I got to make it like a jig. But I'm trying to get it to, what's going to happen, I cut it this way. This is just a prop this run, but it's still not come out that good. So what happened, this going to be one side, then this going to be one side. I got to cut another piece like this. But like I was saying, it's supposed to fit in a nice and snug and don't show no gap, but it's coming. I go get it. I'm gonna get it. But this saw that I have here with it's a pain. It's a little cheapest off from Walmart, and you really can't cut too straight on it because if you want straight, you have to measure here, make sure the same thing, and then by the time you clamp it down, it's not straight. You want the one that's easy, but eventually I'm gonna get me a saw. If you want to sponsor the show, send me a saw, something better than this, because this, I want the one that could glide, so when you put your wood in, they could get a straight cut. This, you can't.
Well, show the people what all you made with that saw. Let's go.
Folks, with that saw, I bought that saw for me to make these cabinets. And it's because of this cabinet, you don't have to be exactly square. Right. See? I make the doors. The cabinet was up there, I just changed
So
the
you
door.
did all these cabinets with that saw?
Yeah.
What else did you do with that saw?
I did that little table over there. I do this with this. This is the first thing I ever do with the saw. And this little table here. This is the last thing that I do so far.
Did you do the trucks?
Yeah, with the trucks, yeah. See all these trucks and stuff. These are the first thing that I do with it anyway.
How much did you pay for that saw at Walmart?
It was $89. Not like that. Like, I'd say like 3 years ago.
So you did quite a bit with it. Did you do this with it?
Yeah, I do this with it. But at the same time, it don't give you a perfect cut.
Okay. You have something else to show us that you did with it?
I make this chair. I do this chair. Do this chair. I do this chair.
The table behind you?
And I do this table.
This
I
desk?
do this other table here.
And this one?
And I do this one here. And I do one more, I think. I do this lump. I do this lump.
So if somebody had a business and they wanted to send you a saw, they could really get some good advertising off all the stuff that you build, right?
Right.
Mm-hmm.
I do these two. This one, as you can see, they make out of plywood on the top.
You did all three from the saw, right?
Yeah. Over there. I do that clack.
You do good work, man.
There's a lot of stuff I do on that saw, folks, but it's getting there. It's not.
It's seen its day.
Yeah, it's not all that now. Guys, I'm out here at Walmart. I need to buy some kind of a hot pack, something for my back, because I went to the gym the other day and I hurt my back slight, so it's getting a little bit better feeling, but I want to find some kind of a hot pack, something that could put some heat down in my back. So let's go and see if I could find that. Yeah, let's see. So I'm going to walk in Walmart right now and see if I could find that stuff. I mean, the old man got to watch himself. He can't do all kind of different exercise like that. No, but I was pushing a lot of weight. That's the way I get out of the car and I started to take boom. Okay. So,
Rookie move, rookie move. A vlogger is supposed to always have extra battery and a fully charged
I thought
battery.
just from here to there, it's supposed to have enough juice.
No, you were using it the whole time though.
Yeah, that's true.
It's okay, baby. So Joe went to the store to Walmart to pick up something for his hip pain, back pain. He's been having some back pain. No Lysol.
No,
Don't stop lying.
I know. Okay. Go look for yourself.
He doesn't know how to vlog, guys. You guys are gonna have to forgive him. He like crumples bags and makes noises in your ears.
I'm vlogging.
Ooh.
I'm normal.
You're
That's
not
what my
vlogging.
problem.
You vlog.
You don't normal like me. That's your problem. See who I got with me.
Because you were Patrick's Day?
And you know what? She's a sister from a man. Mister. Hang on. I don't use the mister. Function, you know what? She's a sister from another. Jesus Christ, I can't. What I think again?
Mister from another man.
I'm Mr. Big Stuff.
Okay.